pipe, it can be quite simple. Like in theory, you can just stuff a load of tobacco into the bowl and light it, but it will work a little bit better if you follow these pretty simple steps, just to ensure you get a good consistency through your bowl. So hopefully, I should be able to get close now so you can see what's going on with the bowl and with the tobacco. So, the way I was taught to do it, which made things a lot easier for me, was to basically fill the pipe loosely up to the top, but without actually packing it down. So you can sort of tap the side a little bit like that, just to encourage it to fall in, but don't actually pack it. Then once it's up to the top, just with a finger at this point, you don't need any tools, pack it down, and that should give you something that is about a third of the way full and a fairly firm consistency. And then all you have to do is repeat that process. So fill it up to the top again. Notice that I'm doing this over the jar of tobacco as well, because I'm incredibly clumsy and it ends up everywhere, so it might be worth doing it over the pouch if you're as terrible at me as functioning. And there we are, pack it down again, a little more gently this time. So after that should take you to about 2/3 of the way full. Then normally you can do this in 3. So a third one, just take it right up to the top again. And now you just want the most gentle little packs down, and you should end up with a bowl that's nearly full and just has about a millimetre or so space at the top, because the tobacco will expand when you first light it. So as far as filling, that is actually all that goes to it. I will say, if you are a true beginner and you're breaking in a new pipe, it's recommended that you only smoke a pipe a third of the way full the first couple of times you smoke it. So using this method, you basically go on to lighting after you've done that first fill and pack. And then once you smoke it like that a couple of times, you go on to smoke it 2/3 full. So just do the first 2 fills and then go on to lighting. And once you've done that, you can just go on to filling it all the way up and lighting it straight away. Again, it's not going to do a crazy amount of harm or anything if you don't follow that. If you do just go straight on to full bowl straight away, it's just the gradual fills encourages the cake, which is the layer of carbon on the inside of the pipe, to break in more evenly, and that's just a good thing for the health and well-being of your pipe in the long run. So hopefully that made sense, and that is all there is to filling. So we'll get on to the good bit, which is the lighting.